running wild, man. All eyes, I'ma keep it dialed and swipe it, like it, look, I made it. Hashtag, yep, I'm the greatest. And the game don't stop till I get on top. Are you ready now? Whoa, yeah. I'm making moves. Oh, I'm ready to go. I'm making moves. Oh, here we go. I'm never gonna stop until I'm on top. I'm gonna do what I do. I'm making moves. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm making moves.
Oh, I hope you know I will carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years
Ay,
down
baby
the road.
boy.
Oh, I know.
Nalala ko pa nung una tayong nagkita sa church, ang tahimik mo lang. Sobrang shy ka sa akin. Lagi akong humihingi ng tulong, pero ayaw mong tumingin sa
To the
akin.
sunset,
Dahil may crush ka na pala sa akin.
against the wall.
Nalala ko rin yung mga araw na hindi ako nakaka-attend ng service. Pero lagi kang nag-message, tinatanong kung bakit wala ako. Doon ko na-feel na may something na. At ayun na nga, niligawan mo ko. At syempre, sinabi kong
I'm not afraid to say it's true. Oh, I hope you know I'll carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways that this could go. Don't want you to wonder, darling, I need you to know. In this and every life, I choose us every time.
Hi baby girl. Ito na ang mga nagtatanong sa atin. Tutundukan na nating dalawa. Magkasama, lahat ng ito ay dahil sa pagmamahal ng Diyos at pagmamahalan nating dalawa. Wala lahat ng ito nang hindi dahil sa grasya ng Diyos. Nabasa mo yun?
Your big green eyes to your out-of-tune guitar. These days, these nights are changing my heart, my mind. Say on you, I'm not afraid to say I do. Oh, I hope you know I'll carry you home, whether it's tonight or 55 years down the road. Oh, I know there's so many ways.
Sa harap ng Diyos, ng ating pamilya at ng mga kaibigan natin, buong puso itang pinili ngayon at sa lahat ng araw na darating. Pinili kitang mahalin bukas at sa bawat araw na ibibigay sa atin ng Diyos. May araw na baka ako'y magkamali, pero pangako kong laging babalik sa'yo, lalapit at hihingi ng tawad at mamahalin ka.
Your source of definition of love is Jesus. In fact, it's not just a definition and source. Jesus is love. He is love. The very reason you can love each other, it's because you have Jesus. Time will come, you won't feel like loving. But it's no longer the love that will sustain the marriage. It's the marriage that will sustain the love. The reason you can love because you're married to each other.
Just to reach me, just to reach me. Turn your heart to me, child, always, and trust your
I truly believe na perfect timing talaga si Lord. And galing ng plano niya. Ngayon, okay na lahat. Our families are finally getting along and everything feels just right. Ang pinaka-love ko sa'yo ay yung pagmamahal mo sa family mo. And ang pagiging generous at mabait mo. At higit sa lahat, ang pagmamahal mo kayo. Gusto rin kitang pasalamatan sa walang sawang pagmamahal kahit na minsan ang hirap kong intindihin. Kahit may mga tampuhan at di pagkakaintindihan, lagi pa rin natin naaayos dahil si Lord ang center ng relationship natin.
Turn your heart to each other always and trust.
Hindi ko alam kung ano ang dadalhin ng bukas, pero ang alam ko, kahit ano pa man mangyari, hindi kita bibitawan. Sa hirap, sa ginhawa, hanggang sa dulo ng mga araw.
Yearn for the place you've never been. Yearn for the light that casts the shadows
I
over.
promise to love you no matter what life throws at us. I promise to support you sa lahat ng gusto mong gawin. I promise to take care of you kapag may sakit ka. I promise to cherish, honor, and protect you. Simula ngayon, ito na ang umpisa ng forever natin. At alam kong hindi tayo nag-iisa dahil kasama natin si Lord sa bagong chapter ng buhay na to. I love you, my baby boy. Now my husband.
Jam, because you've taken on the responsibility to be the husband of Micah, you may now kiss and embrace your bride.